Hi guys, welcome back to my reacting to EAS Alarms Part 2. So, this is New Zealand and this is Australia. You see this one? You see this one? Zero out of 10. 10 out of 10. I don't want to be blinded. I want to go back. There you go. Now, next one we forgot to react to. No. Texas. This looks like the same did Chile. Okay, no. Now we're not gonna react to South Africa EAS alarm. Okay. Saudi Arabia. Okay, we know it, but this was Saudi. I think that is spelled Saudi wrong. Be quiet! I'm recording. Saudi. You don't care. Yeah, they're still just gonna hear me. I'm too loud, actually. I'm too loud. Saudi, Oh, that's how I spell Saudi. Okay. Wait, that's the wrong one. I chose the wrong one. I cannot hear it. Oh, not this is scary. 10 out of 10. Scary. No! No one add. I'm recording, idiot. Pop. Okay, guys, remember my Portugal one? So I'm reacting to another one. Be quiet! I'm recording. Okay, so that's... Oh! Yeah. Guys, want to think when I forgot to react? I reacted that. No, McDonald's. No. Landing Greenland. Yes. Let's react to the old one. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye.